Engineering is at the root of all the innovations and developments in the world. And at its core exists a quest for perfection and a perpetual need to create a better tomorrow. ARIS Global Forging and Machining LLP. Engineering with integrity. Strategically located in the progressive state of Gujarat, ARIS Global is a leading manufacturer and supplier of a superior quality forged and machined components globally. Our manufacturing unit spread over 35,000 square feet is one-stop destination for all your forging and machining needs. We manufacture custom-made forging and machining components from various materials such as carbon steel, alloy steel, stainless steel, as well as other ferrous and non-ferrous materials. All our products deliver excellent performance, long-term durability, and great value to customers. They're widely used in various industries like automotive, agriculture, railways, aerospace, defense, oil and gas, earth-moving, gear and transmission, heavy engineering, and industrial machinery equipment. Thanks to the futuristic vision and capable leadership of our directors, our company has attained new height of success. The years of industry experience and knowledge constantly guides us in our pursuit of engineering excellence. The spirit of innovation is the core of our organization's DNA and plays a paramount role in delivering value to our customers through world-class technological infrastructure. We are equipped with the state-of-the-art machineries such as a bandsaw machine for raw material cutting, one metric ton, 1.5 metric ton, and 3 metric ton hammers and vertical ring rolling machine. Electric furnaces for heat treatment, and shot blasting machine for cleaning metal surface. Also, we have our machining facilities like CNC and VMC for finished products. There is also many ultra-modern equipment for die shop machining work like lathe, milling, and radial drilling machine. Apart from that, we are equipped with cranes and forklifts to carry a smooth and hassle-free manufacturing. We have been accredited with various certifications over years like ISO 9001-2015, IATF 16949, 2016, and PED 2014-68 EU. At every stage of manufacturing process, our quality control executives carry out inspection and conduct various tests using quality control equipment like spectrometer, Rockwell and Brinell hardness tester, impact testing machine, universal testing machine, Germany end quench machine with muffle furnace, step-down test, polishing machine, metallurgical microscope, magnetic particle inspection machine to ensure that every product that reaches our customer is of best quality. It is our vision to create a world-class forged and machining products that transform our reputed clients and customers using experience. We have an extensive list of reputed clients who have showed absolute trust in us. Volvo, Eicher, Ace, Tefe, Shaktiman, IBCC Industries, Kutch Motors, Omnitech Engineering, Sinova Gear, Shivya International, and many more. Our mission is to take part in the global supply chain to generate value for our customers and sustainable growth. At ARIS, we have a great repository of industry know-how, design and engineering expertise, technological prowess, and dedicated workforce, which has established us as one of the most respected and reputed names in the industry. ARIS Global Forging and Machine LLP. Excellence is what we promise and deliver.